Hello and happy June, my crafty friends. Welcome to the Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thanks for coming back. New month, new crafty kit, new freebie for the month of June is the Enchanted Forest. So this month we have a mix of dark and light, day and night, and all the fun enchanted bits that go with that. So I'm going to go through the kit, but all the details to get your free kit throughout the month of June 2025 are below in the description box. And there's also a pinned comment, so you can go ahead and grab your free kit. There are a lot of pages this month, so you can use them for the monthly craft along that I do over here on YouTube, or you can just use them as you wish to use them in your other projects as you want to. All right, so let me go through the pages. Like I said, it's a dark and light theme. So we have day pages, and then we have the Enchanted Forest during the day, and then we have the Enchanted Forest during the night. And then I'll show you all of the ephemera bits and the fussy cuts. There's a lot of fussy cuts in this one because I made the background so that you could lay over it like I usually do. These are half pages, so these cut in half and fold to make a mini journal. And so I printed on both sides to save paper, but there's 8 pages of day and 8 pages of night. So I'll go through the day first. I just love the kind of magical woodsy kind of feel to these. So these are still the daytime, but it's under the canopy of clover. It's very cool. And dragonflies. Oh, and this. Yeah, so that's the 8 pages for day. 2, 4, 6, 8, but it's front and back, so you get 16. And then we move into the night. So the magic of the Enchanted Forest at night. Lots of glowing, luminescent items going on. I love this one. Lots of fun pages to build upon. And then there are some neutral pages in this one as well. So you can print as many of these as you want to kind of fill them in. I'm printing everything on cardstock except these. So just these pages in different colors. So there's some for day, and then there are some for night. So this is more of a bluish tone, and this one's more of a black tone. And I just printed front and back, and you can print off as many as you want. I'm going to print more of these to kind of fill in the journal. And then these are all the tags and ephemera bits. So some flags, some tickets, tags, a belly band. And these I also printed on cardstock. This is my index weight cardstock. All the details are in my description box of the one that I use. And you can check it out there. But here is the second page. So we have some daytime items, some nighttime items, so you can kind of switch them up. Some file folders, pockets, or you can use them as journaling cards, whatever you choose. A few words. Bunch of tickets, little pockets, and some labels and bits to put on the pockets, frames, Polaroids. There's a lot in this one. I couldn't stop once I got started. More pockets and tags. Just ancient ruins type stuff. It was very fun to make this one. I am super excited to get started on it. So, like I said, everything will be in the description box below or in the pinned comment, and then you can go and kind of get you'd like. Love that. So that's a little fun bits. And then these are all the fussy cuts. I couldn't stop with the fussy cuts, so there are a lot of them. These I don't print on the other side, but these are also on cardstock. Look at him. He's adorable. So there's some fun ones and some fun, interesting enchanted ones, which we need in the Enchanted Forest. It's owls and crows and ravens. Fun little mushroom houses and magical twilighting scrolls and seed pods. The gnomes. No fairies in this one, but you could definitely bring in a fairy kit to add to this. It would fit right in. These are going to be fun to play with. Fairy door or gnome door, who knows? Lots of runish type of pieces. Some fairy wings, another door. Just a lot of little bits you can kind of place about. So that is the kit. Go ahead and grab yours. And if you want to play along on the craft alongs, they'll be going up all month. And this kit is free throughout the month of June 2025. If you're seeing this after June, you can always buy it in the shop and play along with these videos. And I hope I will see you guys there. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the Enchanted Forest? Are you going to make a day, a night, a mix of both? I have some fun ideas I want to do, so I hope I'll see you on the videos. But for now, enjoy the rest of your week. Have a great rest of your day or night. Happy June. Bye.